The world is facing a huge engineering skills shortage. By 2050, the world's population will be nearly 10 billion people, and 70% of those people are going to be living in towns and cities. With that rapid population growth comes increasing industrialization, so we're going to have to build infrastructure that's on a scale several times that which already exists in Europe in just 20 years. And we need people to be able to design, build, maintain and operate all of the critical infrastructure we rely upon. And we need them to be skilled up quickly and safely.
The world is changing every day, there's new technology every day. How do we make sure engineers are able to use those technologies safely and efficiently in order to keep solving those challenges?
In the maritime industry, these challenges are increasing, and we cannot leave behind the seafarers who are responsible for the 90% of commercial trade that we see going around the world.
With the new skills and competencies that are required for the green and digital transition, it is estimated that approximately 800,000 seafarers need retraining on new fuels by 2035, and this is an immense task.
To meet the demands of a rapidly growing population, we need a brand new approach to engineering education. One that has diversity, equity and inclusion at its heart, and importantly, one which makes sure there are safe and decent work opportunities. So the first question we can ask is, where's the most potential benefit to safety? And then we can ask, well, what evidence is available? But specifically, what engineering skills are needed, where are they needed, and where are those skills going to be applied? And then thirdly, we can ask, how can we act at scale in order to tackle the challenges that the world is facing? We're funding a number of initiatives. All of these are determined by where engineers are most needed. So our initiatives are locally end-user led. We also aim to remove the barriers for new talent and underrepresented demographics to move into the engineering workforce. And in that way, we can act locally in terms of these global challenges that the world is facing.
So Engineering X is a collaboration between the Academy and the Lloyd's Register Foundation. We connect people across borders, across disciplines, across sectors, and we promote the role of engineering in solving these challenges, and particularly in targeting lots of grants through smaller scale skills for safety projects in more than 30 countries all over the world.
Helmepa is one of the most historic environmental organizations in Greece, at the forefront of protecting seas and coasts in Greece for over 42 years, and at the same time promoting sustainable development to wider society. To date, more than 34,000 seafarers and shipping professionals have attended Helmepa training and therefore have increased their environmental consciousness and been updated on all developments in shipping.
The foundation is one of the key donors at IMLI. And in the past 20 years, the foundation has supported 50 students, 33 of which are women, and 17 of those women are from the African continent. I am one of them. Graduates, after being trained at IMLI, go back home to their maritime administrations, their ports authorities, their attorney general's offices, or the courts, where they have the opportunity to give back by transposing international safety conventions into their national laws that guarantees safety and security at sea.
At Lloyd's Register Foundation, we recognise that we're relatively modest in size, but the scale of the challenges we want to help to solve are huge. We can only really affect real change by developing partnerships, so that collectively we can enhance the skills that will keep people safer.